figure. This time it's like Daisy. It's a figure I kind of got when I visited Lego like a few years back, the headquarters in Copenhagen. And I could just take it for free. It was like a career event where I could come and get this figure. And yeah, but since then I haven't really opened it because I thought, okay, because you know about Lego, yeah, it's sometimes when you just don't open it, it becomes more valuable, and then you can sell it for a little bit more, and then you can make some money. But I thought like maybe it's like a very like often sold packet, which you kind of, you know, can't really sell again. And it also always depends who's willing to buy like an unopened packet. And I also thought like, you know, where's the fun if you don't open your Lego packets? And in the end, I can always go and buy something, a bigger packet that is more valuable and not opened. And in the end, you can also sell like the packets that you opened and built if all pieces are there. So then I thought, okay, I can do it like in that way. So that's the reason why I'm here on Twitch, building things, building stuff. And I think it's time to start. So let me just also change a little bit the view so that you can also follow along with me. And I just change a few things, and then so then you can see the table. So here I have this packet Daisy. So I had this Sonic packet the last time, and here it's Sonic. So I just let me push my headphones a little bit besides, and then let me just kind of put this one under the table. Yeah, all right. Some a little bit of water for myself. I don't know where you are watching from, but today it's very, very warm, and you could really feel it outside. I've actually also been swimming today, so that was nice. But it's still warm in the evening. Just put Sonic away. So yeah, so here we have the packet, and it's for 10 plus years old, so I'm 10 plus, that's good. So the question is, can we do this in 30 seconds if we have to unpack or build in 30 seconds? Well, can we unpack in 30 seconds? Well, let's count the time from now. So I just use the scissors. Oh, here. Put it on the head. Then I just open. No, you open it differently. You have to press in here. So. Okay, I can see the picture was just gone for a second. But I have to, basically I have to press kind of here. Just like this. And then, when I press, then I can kind of, don't want to destroy it. Okay, I pressed it in. Alright. And then you can kind of do like a pull. This is more complicated than I thought. Because I don't want to, you know, I don't want to destroy the packet. Like, just the pack. Okay, I need to just do like this, push a little. Oh, can already hear that it's going to. I don't want to. Okay. And then. Okay, it's because it's glued here to the. That's where it's actually. There's no better way of opening it, no. No. Okay, that's a strangely way to pack it, but okay. Just So I think the 30 seconds are gone. It takes more time than expected, and I was having a little bit of trouble. Then I just open it here. Okay. Then I do that. All right. Okay. So you see, no? That's how we open it. Great. So, and then we unpack it. This packet here. This packet here. Right. Then we have this here. And then we have also the guidelines. I don't know if it's called guidelines or in German you would say Bedienungsanleitung. Okay. Then I just put it on the side here. So, okay. And then we do what we do. This, I can also put it on the side. Just for now. So I have this plate. And then I open. And I have some scissors here. So I don't need them, but it's very, I really like to open things with scissors. Kind of. It makes things easier. Okay, put the plastic away. Then, sorry. Should not touch the microphone. Then the sound becomes bad. Okay. Then I kind of take it here and also open it here. Okay. So I think I can take this packet and put it under the table and yeah, take it from there. Yeah, and it's just the Daisy figure basically, and so a lot of stones for like just the Daisy figure if you think about it. But yeah, it's okay. I put it on the table. Cool. And then we can sort it. I sorted by color, so put the white ones over here. Just over here. Put the scissors away. And then some small pieces over here. Black ones over there. Yellow. I put yellow here. Some pink ones. And I also have to remember not to go too fast. Sometimes I go very fast for myself. Forget I'm doing it. I mean, I'm doing this for myself and stream it on Twitch, basically. To have something. But yeah. So it's good for me to remember. And the pieces compared to the Sonic, they are of course different colors. I think Sonic had a lot of yellow pieces on the inside. And then also, yeah, a lot of blue, of course. Because, I mean, that's Sonic. And then also, yeah, some white. No? But most, I would say most yellow and then most, yeah, most yellow. This is also yellow. Okay, Daisy has more yellow. Okay, I can see what the kind of nap will be, how it will look. So, yeah, pink in the middle, yellow over here. I'm not that fast, but doesn't matter. Time. Today there's no football game like last time, but yeah, it's good. And then we have it over here, this over here, this over here, black over here, the middle. No, black is over here. Let's have some green, and then some. This must be yellow. This must be pink. This is white. Okay, so we have them sorted. Great. So good start. Can just place it a little bit here. Can place it here, here, small. Everybody can see it. Here. This piece, place them here. Have it here a little bit, and then have it here. So this looks, I think this was kind of gray, white, okay, or something beige. Okay, so that's great. I can take the headphones away. Or maybe I show you more of the table. Maybe that's better to go show you more of the table. And you can easily then just listen to my voice, and then so now you have just the table. I take the headphones away. Don't need them right now, maybe later, although I don't play any music, so it's not sure that you need them. And so we do it like this. Yeah. Okay, great.